How to fix this glitch where every time you're starting off Valorant on Riot Games, you click on the option to sign in with Google. It doesn't let you, like, you can't basically click any of them, you know what I'm saying? It just stuck you. So if I click on this, for example, like, nothing happens. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix that. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go on your settings and you're gonna have to search up apps. Then once you search up apps, there should be an option called default apps. You're just gonna open that first. Then once you open that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to search up Google Chrome. Then once you search up Google Chrome, you're gonna click on that. And then once you click on it, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, as you guys can see, you have an option right here where it says make Google Chrome your default browser. You're gonna click on set default. Now for every single one right here, you're just gonna change it to Google Chrome. So just click on it, Google Chrome. Click on it, Google Chrome. Just do that for every single one. Now if I do that for every single one, let's say I want to log in with Facebook, for example, it's gonna come up just like that. Let's say I want to do it with Apple, it's gonna come up just like that. So whatever you want. You could also do the same thing with Google, PlayStation, and Xbox, for example. How it should work. So if this helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.